Hello guys, it's me again, Hesper, and welcome to my channel at Lovely Hesper. So in today's video guys, Sarah, lay down. Hello guys, it's me again, Hesper, and welcome to my channel at Lovely Hesper. So for today's video guys, we will be doing unboxing of Sigma Beauty PR box. And yeah, I know lately most of my videos is about unboxing, PR box, makeup tutorial, unboxing, makeup tutorial. And I apologize for that. I know you missed my vlogs, my funny videos, but don't worry, soon I will upload all my the vlogs. But for now, I just need to finish all my backlogs videos like this, you know, because lately I receive a lot of packages from different resellers, different sponsors like LA Girl, yeah, Sigma Beauty. Ayan, so thank you so much kasi sila talaga yung mga masisipag magpadala sa akin ng PR box. Super generous. Thank you so much. Love you, love you. So, ayan, dahil lang tayo ni Sigma Beauty, pinadalaan tayo ng panibagong PR box. But this time, it's a huge PR box because it's not only 7 items, not only 5, 7, 8, but it's 12 items in a box. O, diba? Parang rice in a box. Ang dami. At hindi lang siya basta items, it's like a set. Set of brush, set of makeup, you know. So, thank you. I know excited kayo, and I'm really excited. Kinikilig ako when I saw this package. So, ayan. I want to share this to you. But before we start, make sure that you already subscribe to my channel. Hit like, and then click the bell button so you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. Alright? So without any further ado, let's begin. Later, I will tell you also on how to apply, how to be a Sigma Beauty affiliate. Ayun. Ayan. First off, this Sigma Chroma Glow Shimmer and Highlight Palette. Bongga-bongga talaga ni Sigma Beauty. By the way, this is $39. If you wanna use my discount code, you can use it to get 10% off. And then, yan, once you open it, it comes with mirror. For the sale, color niya, it's like, yan nga, chrome blue, na may pagka-silver. And then, for the ambrosia, peaceful is like a pearl white. Yung Felicity naman, may pagka-lavender. Blush naman, may pagka-coral yung color niya. Light version of this blush. Pero feeling ko okay naman. Siguro may mga part lang na nagbi-build up, pero meron ding part ng shade na hindi nagbi-build up agad. Like for this blush, I think. So, what do you think about this? This is $39. Ligwak or pakak? What do you think? Ito naman, move tayo dito sa blush. Ayan. So for the blush cheek palette, this is also $39. And as what in highlight shimmer palette, it comes also a 6 different shades. Ganda ng kulay, and then ang ganda pa ng design. And then once you open it, ayan siya, ganyan. Ang ganda niya, no? Parang very charming yung color niya. Hindi na tayo mag-swatches for this because this is more of matte. Hindi siya shimmer. May shimmer pero dalawa lang. Ito, tsaka ito. And hindi siya ganun ka-shimmer as you can see. Sigma Blush Cheek Palette. What do you think? Not bad. It comes with mirror also. Ayan. And $39. Why not? Ayan. We are done to our 2 palettes. And next would be this duo lipstick. Nung chinek ko to nung time na na-receive ko tong items na to, it's actually only $15. Parang naka-promo. And lately kasi chinek ko also kung available pa ba tong shade na to for the makeup duo, for the lipstick duo. Parang parang hot pink and violet, parang lavender. Parang ganun yata yung available ngayon sa website. But this one, parang natsambahan ko lang siya. Kasi ang ganda ng color, yung shade nila parehas. Ayan. Isang nude and then isang red. So, this is actually $15. Yung dalawang to, di ba naka-promo siya. But actually, pag binili mo siya ng isang piraso, each is like $15. Dalawa na siya, o di ba? So, this is shade Anti-Venom. siyang amoy. No smell. Wala talaga, as in, as in. Wala. In fairness, wala siyang amoy na hindi siya amoy chemical. Ay, perfect. Ang ganda ng color niya. At saka yung ano niya, yung formula niya, napaka-creamy niya. And then next would be this one, the Venom. Maganda yung pagka-red niya. Let's see. Okay, wala ding amoy. No smell also. Ay, ang ganda ng pagka-red niya. Oh my God. Ala, ang ganda. In fairness, I like it. Perfect. Ganito yung pagka-red na gusto ko. Ayan o. Diba? You want me to try it? Sige, let's try. Let's try. And then, I'll show you. Okay? Pag dinamihan mo siya ng isang coat lang, maganda siya eh. Pero since hindi ako masyadong nag-ano, konti lang, medyo hirap ako siyang i-blend. Parang nakailang shade ako, nakailang coat ako. Siguro mga 2-3. And then, matte siya, natutuyo din siya after. Ayan siya. Parang lumaki yung bibig ko. Yung labi ko parang nag-protrude, yung naging ganun. Ayan. So, isang coat lang yung ginawa ko. And, yun palang secret. Kailangan mong mag lip balm first para maganda yung coating ng lipstick sa lips mo. Then, ang ganda. Wala 𝙭𝚘𝚗𝚜𝚎. 𝙭𝚘𝚗𝚜𝚎 lang. Yung lipstick ha, hindi yung pears. Baka i-bash niyo ako. Ayan. Ganda. Char. Since this is a matte lipstick, we will try if this is a kiss-proof or transfer-proof, right? So, let's see. I don't know how many hours this one will stay to your lips. So, maybe it depends kung kakain ka, if you will eat, if you drink, I don't know. But, usually sa mga lipstick kasi it will stay for like 4 to 6 hours. Depende yan. Kakain ka. Pero kung hindi naman, tipong 6 hours ka mag-work nang walang kainan, walang inuman. Ayan, siguro ganyan. Hindi ko natatanggalin ang ating lipstick kasi feel ko na siya. Ganon. Tsaka, nakakaputi siya, in fairness. Anyway, eto na nga. So, next, after our palettes and lipstick, ayan, this is our base primer or eyeshadow base primer. So, this is Persuade. Am I right? Persuade, Bubbly, and Sorbet. Actually, pinost ko to sa Instagram, guys. Maybe you can check it also. At lovelies sa Instagram ko. I posted, yeah, ayan o. Oh, diba? I-follow nyo naman ako, guys. Ayan. Tapos, follow back ko na lang kayo. So, this is $15 each also. Okay, so first shade would be this Persuade. Yung color niya is cream. Yung color niya parang ivory. Parang ivory shade. Ganun ang color niya, guys. So, ayan po ating Persuade. Kayo na bahala kung sa kayo comfortable. Pagka, siya, what they call this? May glitter siya. Yeah, may glitter siya ng onte. Makikita mo na may pagka-shimmer. May pagka-champagne, gold, parang ganun yung color niya. Shimmer din siya. 'Di ba? Hindi siya matte, hindi katulad nung una-una. So, ayan. Yeah, champagne yung color niya, oh. O, see? Shimmer din siya. Ganda. Next, this lip concealer. Lip concealer Halo. It costs $15. So basically, this is like yung concealer pero cream type, ganun. Ayan. Hindi ko na siya muna gagalawin guys kasi I'm going to do the flat lay for this. So next, loose shimmer and glitter. One is magic and merriment. There is like 2 or 3 different colors of this or different shade. Bewitched glitter. This is like a pearl white, as you can see. Ang ganda, in fairness. Siguro mas maganda pa to pag naka-concealer ako. Mas angat yung color niya. Open Sesame Loose Shimmer. Yung color niya, may pagka-pink na may pagka-orange. Parang orange-pink. Ganyan. Hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented. Unlike this one. Ayan o, makikita mo yung shimmer. Pero I think, as I said earlier, mas aangat yung color niya kung gagamit tayo ng concealer. So this one, Glaze Glitter. Ang color naman nito is yung may pagka-orange. Okay. So here you go. This is our 8 pieces of detail brush set. Ayan. Nakakatuwa kasi ganda nila tingnan. L04 or detailed lip. L06 or precise lip line. Bent liner. Blush fan. This cut crease or A62 brush. Next is the dual fiber blend or E41 brush. Blending. Dome blending E43 brush. Angled cream contour or E61. This brush set costs $60. So how much that in peso? Ayan. Medyo malalaking brush na siya. Ngayon, okay. So this is high cheekbone highlighter or F03 brush. Wala ring amoy. Fairness. Spotlight duster. Extreme structure contour or F04. Accentuate highlighter or F56 brush. And then super lambot. Synthetic siya guys ha. Hindi siya real human hair. Pero, para siyang totoo. Ang ganda. Tapos, ang lambot. Chisel and Trim Contour or F77. Emphasize Contour. A soft angled contour or F23. This costs like $88.20. Oh, sabi, $88. Worth investment for the brush. Kasi meron siya 2-year warranty. Or just in case masira yung brush nyo or may mangyari, hindi natin masabi. At least, pwede lang palitan ng bago. Diba? 2-year warranty. Not bad na guys. Kasi you can use this for your makeup gig. Ganyan. Kung makeup artist talaga kayo or pro makeup artist, you need to invest a very good quality of brush like this, Sigma. Kasi Sigma talaga. Isa yan sa kilalang makeup brush dito sa US. Kaya rin expensive. Kaya rin medyo pricey. For the last brush set, this is a premium kit professional brush collection. Hinihilig ako. Kasi ang mahal nito guys. Actually, originally, ang price nito nasa 300 plus. 200 plus. Siguro mga nasa 230, ganun. Pero once you go to their website, nag-reduce siya from 200 plus to 199. Pero still, mahal pa rin, diba? So, ayan siya. Ang nagpamahal kasi dyan, ito, yung bag, yung niya, yung lagayan niya, na parang songbook. Diba? It's like a songbook. Alam na alam, basta mga tambay ng video akan, ganyan. Oo, para talaga siyang songbook kasi tingnan nyo, may page. May page, diba? Let's start with this one, the big one. It's large powder or F20. Tapered face or F25 brush. Powder or blush brush or F10. For the second page. Lip brush or L05. The short shader or E20. Next is a small eyeliner or E10 brush. Last is the flat definer or E15 brush. Okay, for the third page, would be this small tapered blending or A45. Meron na ako neto. So, technically, I have two of this brush. Next is the tapered blending or A35. I have also this one, I think. Blending or E25 brush. Next is the concealer or F75. And then, for the last page, this is large fluff E50. Okay, next is the large concealer or E65. And then this one, tapered highlighter or F35. For the last brush of premium kit is Duo Fiber Powder Blush F15. For all this is $199. Medyo pricey siya or expensive for some. But then, I can guarantee you that this brushes is worth investment because this is like a professional brush set and perfect for your makeup gig like wedding, birthday, photoshoot, sa mga headshot, photoshoot. Ayan. This is perfect for you guys. And the good thing here is 2-year warranty. It has a 2-year warranty. So just in case something happened to your brush, so wala kang talo dito guys. Super worth investment to. I can guarantee you. So as I promised to you earlier, I will share to you on how to apply as Sigma Beauty affiliate. I'll tell you on how to do that. First thing you need to do is to go to their website. Ayan. Just go to their website and then once you go there, fill out the form. Yeah. Including your name, your address, your contact number, so different social media accounts. And then you will tell also how many followers you have, how many subscribers you have, if you have YouTube channel. Yeah, you need to include that. And then once you're done, you just send it. It's like you will submit it and then you will wait for like one to 2 weeks. They're gonna email you if you are passed or you are failed. You know what I mean. And then after that, they're gonna ask you for a unique code. After that, they're gonna set up that. What's this? You can share your unique code to your friends, to your followers, like that. So you will start by that. You will start by earning money from your followers every time they purchase Sigma products using your discount code. After like a week, they're gonna send you out a welcome box. It includes like different like palette, blush, 2 brushes, eyeliner, mascara, something like that. Okay guys, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is very helpful for you. And if you pass this application, let me know. Comment down below. Balitaan nyo ako, okay? For sure, I'll be the one na magiging happy for you just in case you pass that application. Don't worry, you have every 6 months to reapply if you didn't make it. You're just gonna submit the application and you don't have to pay for something. Okay? You don't need to pay for something. Be careful guys sa mga budol-budol. Maybe they ask you money, you know what I mean. So just be careful for that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and I hope this is helpful for you. If you found this helpful, please hit the like or give a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button so you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. See you on my next one. Bye bye! Love you! Wow! Mistisa tayo dyan. Ay, in fairness, parang puti-puti natin sa camera, but huwag kayo magpa-deceive. Hindi totoo yan. Camera lang yan. Camera tricks. Camera tricks. We were on fire. I slashed your